We guide you through how to make a diagram in Google Docs so you can visually explain ideas, processes, or relationships. First thing you need to do is open your Google Docs document and place your cursor where you want the diagram to appear. Go to Insert, select Drawing, then click plus New to open the drawing canvas. In the drawing window, use the Shape tool to add boxes, circles, or other shapes that represent each step or element of your diagram. Connect the shapes using the line or arrow tools, then add labels by inserting text boxes inside or near each shape. You can adjust colors, borders, and sizes to keep everything clear and organized. Once finished, click Save and Close, and the diagram will appear in your document. You can double-click it any time to edit, resize, or reposition it, making diagrams easy to update as your content changes.